Hi friends, this is Ashish Agrawal here, and today we are going to be looking at a very popular question in digital marketing. We would be taking a look at how to find out which sources send traffic to your competition. So if you're in the digital marketing world and you're running a competition analysis, at some point you would want to understand how your competitors are getting traffic so that you can plan the marketing strategy of your own brand, right? And because of there are so many tools being available in the market, this has become really easy over the years. So today we are going to be taking a look at that. So I'm going to cover how to get how to understand which sources are sending traffic to your own website in a different video, but for today we are going to be taking a look at how to find out what sources are sending traffic to your competition. And we are going to be taking a look at the free version of a tool called SimilarWeb for this. So the advanced version does offer a lot more features, but I think the free version still offers you a lot of insights that you can use and which will help you in formulating your own digital marketing strategy. So let's take a deep dive into this. We'll be using the tool called SimilarWeb, the free version of the tool, to analyze the traffic sources for our competition. And we'll be taking a look at website in two different categories. One will be an e-com website and one will be a SaaS player. And we'll see how we can do the traffic source analysis and use it to formulate a digital marketing strategy for our own brand. So first example, in the e-com segment, we are going to be taking a look at Flipkart.com. So it's a pretty well established brand in the Indian market. So I'm just going to type in Flipkart.com in the search bar, which is provided on top in the SimilarWeb tool. And you click on search. So you can see SimilarWeb tells me that it's a global ranking of 87 and a country ranking of 6. Since we all know Flipkart is a pretty established brand, and in the traffic overview I can see how many visits this website has been getting. So in October 20 it has got 288 million, which is a significant jump up from what it got in September. And I can see some other engagement metrics like average visit duration, pages per visit, bounce rate, etc. Now the next section shows us traffic to Flipkart.com by country. So for example, I can see India giving almost 96% of the traffic to Flipkart, and then US contributing to around 1.2%. Now this is the most important section which we were looking to answer in our today's video, and you can see the traffic sources that are getting traffic to Flipkart.com. Direct is almost contributing to 63%, so people typing in Flipkart in the browser or using desktop mail programs to come to Flipkart.com. And search contributes to around 32%, right? So this forms the bulk of the sources which is getting traffic to Flipkart.com currently. So here you can see which are the top 5 sites which are referring traffic to Flipkart and the destination sites from a referral site perspective. Scrolling down, we can further deep dive into the 32% of search traffic. So 90% is through organic and 10% through paid. So Flipkart has definitely made a lot of investment into SEO, and that's paying off. Most of the search traffic today comes through organic as compared to paid. Also on the social front, we can see that YouTube and Facebook forms the bulk of the channels, the channels which are sending the bulk of the traffic to Flipkart.com. So this tells you, if you're an e-com player, which are some of the channels you should start off with. You can also see the ad networks where Flipkart is currently running most of its display ads. And there are some other insights also that you can see over here. Now let's take a look at another category, a SaaS player. So we'll be taking a look at SEMrush.com and taking a look at a similar analysis for this particular category. Right, so on SEMrush, I can see that the traffic has remained fairly flat over the last 6 months. It's around 7.71 million visits, and United States is contributing to the bulk of the visits to this website, around 22%, and UK contributes to around 7.5%. India, a lot of people use SEMrush in India, so it also contributes to a substantial 6%. right? And looking at the traffic source analysis for SEMrush.com, I can see that direct contributes to around 57%, and then again search contributes to around 32% of the traffic, which forms the bulk of the traffic coming to the website. So I'm going to skip the referral section, come to search. So you can see in case of SEMrush, there's a lot more concentration of paid search traffic as compared to what we saw in Flipkart. So it tells you that SEMrush relies a lot more on paid traffic as a traffic source, paid search traffic. And on social, we can see, since this is a B2B player too, LinkedIn makes an appearance. So being present on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn becomes important, right? So as you can see, definitely this gives me a lot of good insights. So if I am a competitor to SEMrush.com, I'm a SaaS player, then I would maybe focus on both organic and the paid search, and then focus on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook for my social branding efforts. So yeah, that's how you can use the free version of a tool like SimilarWeb to do a quick competitor analysis and understand the traffic sources to their website, which can definitely help and inform the digital marketing strategy of your own brand. Thank you.